Habibi, you have 300 million people and you are bringing players from Holland. I can say thank you for Indonesia Football Federation for good hospitality here to make it for us. Also, thank you for Indonesian people who is making really lovely atmosphere with us in a hotel, stadium, journalists, everything is okay. You know, that's what people talking about social media. Come on, this is not really Indonesian people. I know how you are good people. And we are really enjoying our time here. And inshallah, tomorrow after game also we will enjoy. You know, Habibi, I must say, I'm monitoring and I'm watching too many games of Indonesia. Every time, two new one, but not from Indonesia. Coming from Holland, coming from England, coming from... Well, Habibi, you have 300 million people and you are bringing players from Holland. Okay, that's good, but we respect them too much, and believe me, I don't take care about this game, what you play against Australia. This is not really picture of your team. We know that we are coming with full respect, but we are coming with full confidence to win the game.